gauge doesn't work. There you can see the wipers working. Gas gauge, horn, and power locks. We'll pull up here and turn around at the corner, and then I'll go through the gears for you. First to second, second to third, and overdrive. So, shifts good, runs good. So any questions? 605-695-7391.